Hello, you beautiful people. You beautiful people. Right, this is 1970 USA quarter. So, what happened in 1970? Well, significant events included the Kent State shootings, where 4 students were killed during a protest against the Vietnam War, and the first Earth Day was celebrated. Additionally, President Nixon signed legislation banning cigarette ads on television and radio. So, did that work, do you think? So here we go. I quite like these detail on these ones. They're quite pretty good. Right, first of all, guess what? Yep, we've got a punch of bloody hole in it. Makes a change, doesn't it? I hope everybody is feeling absolutely great. Oh, for some reason, my camera has gone onto 1.2 times zoom, so this is going to be quite a close-up. I'm not going to stop it and start again. We'll go over to Big Bertha. Let me know if you prefer this bit more magnification. Right. I could have stopped it and started it again today. I've got a lot to do today. I've got to go to the post office and pick some stuff up. PTFE tape, eh? I love it. Right. Yeah, I've got to be a bit more careful with this, otherwise there'll be nothing in shot. Right, there you go. Just want to clean the edge up, no, it's a bit sad. This is Christy Burr. That's good. Right, now then, let's get the old ball bearing on it. And obviously we want to go sunny side up on the ring, this side, so this goes face down. A smaller one I could use. Let's try this one. I've never tried this one before. Yeah, probably will go tits up. Right. We'll nip over to Big Red. I'm going to give it a bit of the old 1-2. I mean, this should go quite easy because it's copper. Or copper clad, as my other ring makers call it. There you go. So we get a bit of love with Bernie. That's good. All right, thank you all for the comments and the likes you've been doing. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so now we want a 17-degree folding die. Maybe this one. That's good. Bit of Luby Lou. I use coconut oil. I suppose you could use anything really. Alright, back to Big Red. I'll give it a bit of the old 1-2. Oh yeah, that's butter. Right. How's this edge doing? I think not too bad. I'll give it a little bit. My girlfriend speeds the video up some places like this, right? And my hand's going crazy. Right, let's see what we've got going on here. Let's go over to big red spike. Yeah, it's quite magnified, this, isn't it? But it will do for today. You just put the kitchen roll on there to stop you from losing the detail on the inside of the coin. Don't want to go crazy, it's very soft. Now that bow is still in it, there's no cracks. See that bow? You want to get that out. So I go a little bit more. See, it's more cone shaped now than bowed. How's it looking? Yeah, we're getting there. I'll give it another little pump. Just a little bit. This is where I go wrong half the time. I go a bit too far. Right. So, how's it looking? Not too shabby. So now we want to go down to the arse end of spike. And these are reduction dice. This plate comes with this gizmo. Right. Make sure it's level and square. It doesn't look too clever. Let's give it a bit of the old that's better. A bit more. There you go, always nice and straight. Okie dokie. So now we just want to cut that lip that's on the inside. There's a little bit of a lip there. We want to get that out. Get it out. If you're looking for a handmade ring, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's loads of rings in there and other stuff, earrings and stuff. All the rings I can adjust the size for you. Or you can't find anything, you can contact me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. You can even send me your own coins. I have loads of different coins, so convo me and we'll see what we can do. I met a couple on the market yesterday, and well, not yesterday, I didn't go yesterday, a couple of days ago, and they're sending me a couple of coins. One for him and one for her. Right, let's get out Dave. And we'll slip in the one and only Kate. She's not looking too bad, a bit ropey, but can't look gorgeous every day, can you? Well, I can. Ah, there's the way I tell them. But you all forgot one crucial thing, didn't you? You forgot to hit the like button. Right. Or, if you didn't like the video, hit the dislike button. Right. Now, I call this the Edwin look. I like the Edwin look. You got all the detail on the inside. You got the date there. In God we trust. But I will polish it. If you'd prefer the Edwin look, I'll just run over it again with Kate. So out comes Kate, and in comes Felton John. These names, man, crazy. Oh, where's the polish? There it is. Is the lid still on? Yes, it is. Oops. Oh, the lid's on the floor. Is it going to stay on the floor? We shall see. The next video will tell all. Did I pick the lid up? Did I find the lid? But for now, no lid. It could be the start of something great, couldn't it? Right. These quarters do come up rather nice. So, are you subscribed? If not, why not? It's free, there's no obligation. There's a little red button down here somewhere, bottom right hand corner of the video. There, I don't know, there somewhere. You hit that, stuff happens, and you're subscribed. Easy. And I love you forever and ever. There's the green goddess. There she is. Oh yeah. That's come up rather nice. I haven't done that many quarters. I think I did at the beginning. Oh, baby. And at the moment, I could still use the same cloth. I don't have to go for a slightly cleaner one. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. United States of America. Yeah, came out rather good. You still got the detail on the inside. So what size did we get in the end? We got a size. God. Hey, look. Makes a change, doesn't it? Right. Jesus wept. We've got a size 9.5. I could go a little bit bigger. I wouldn't want to go too much bigger than this. I could go smaller. I could go there. Or there. Or, you know. So thank you all for your patience and sticking with me. Love you all. It fits this finger perfectly. And, yeah, keep smiling. Love thy neighbour, as they say. And, yeah, God willing, I'll see you all on the next video. You have a good day, have a good week, and behave yourselves. So bye-bye.